Pane chitiko chinoshamisa chinoitika muEngland apa panoonekwa kuti aiwa a 35-year-old Zimbabwean woman pamwe chete ne-ex-police officer vanowanikwa aiwa vakafa vari dead. Aiwa zvashamisa vanhu zvikavhundutsa vanhu. Zanapinda masviko anobuda nyogwa pana panodiwa subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Pana tinoona kuti aiwa this ex-police officer anonzi Barbara Nomakosi was found dead in a home in Bury, Greater Manchester last Friday night. She had multiple injuries on her body. On the same night, a 40-year-old woman believed to be connected to Barbara's death tragically lost his life after being struck by a lorry on a M65 motorway between Blackburn and Accrington. Authorities are treating this incident as a suspected suicide, leading to questions about the circumstances surrounding Barbara's death. Police have stated that there are no other suspects being sought and that there is no wider risk to the public. Barbara had moved to the UK with dreams of a brighter future, working diligently as a care worker while drawing upon her experience from her previous role in the police force back home. Her family has released a touching tribute, stating Barbara was a caring and hard-working person. She was so thoughtful and always checking up for her family and friends. Domashoko atikuona pane chitiko en tsaona yatoona kuti inosanganikwa nayo awana Barbara anowanikwa ane multiple injuries, but munhu ari suspected kuti anongova akonzeresa this tragic death anonzi akainvolvwa in accident. Saka chimbotudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, tichiona kuti the authorities emunyika yeUK vari kuzama nepanogona napo kuti vainvestigate nyaya iyi. Chimbotudzai mafungiro enyu pene comment section medu, subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.